Good morning friends. Today in the previous lectures we are see about the properties of the determinants, how we can use the property of the determinants and solving the questions. Today we are going to solve some examples related to the properties of the determinants. So here you can see that the question number second, without applying the expansion, how you can solve this is equation is equal to this. You can see in the determinants of the first row, elements are a minus b, b minus c and c minus a. Second row is a b minus c, c minus a and a minus b, and third row is a c minus a minus b and b minus c. So first we take the LHS side. Here LHS side, it means left hand side. Left hand side, this is a minus b, b minus c, c minus a, and then b minus c, c minus a minus b, and the c minus a minus b and b minus c. Okay. Here you see the determinants are given, that a minus b, b minus c, c minus a in the first row. In the second row, b minus c, c minus a minus b, and third row is a c minus a minus b and b minus c. After that we applying the property. Here we take the first row r1 plus you take the sum of second row r2 plus r3, and after that you add into the first row. So you see the first row is a minus b plus b minus c and plus c minus a. Another column element b minus c, c minus a, because there is a no change, and other elements. Then here this is the b minus c plus c minus a plus a minus b. Another element is a c minus a and a minus b. Next, this is a c minus a plus a minus b and plus b minus c. Another element is a minus b and b minus c. Okay. Here we take for the first row, this is the first row added by the second and third row. You can see here a is cancelled by a, b is cancelled by b, c is cancelled by c. Similarly here b is cancelled by b because it is a positive, this is a negative, c is cancelled by c, a is cancelled by a, and this is a c is cancelled by c, a is cancelled by a, b is cancelled by b. So here you see this is equal to that the element 0, 0, 0 in the first row, second row b minus c, then c minus a, and then a minus b. Next c minus a, then a minus b and b minus c. Here you see that the all elements of the first row are the 0. If the all elements are any row or column, this is equal to 0, then you can say the value of that determinants of 0. So this is equal to 0 and this is equal to RHS side. Therefore you can say that the determinants a minus b, b minus c, c minus a, b minus c, c minus a minus b, then c minus a minus b and b minus c, that is equal to 0. Hence it is approved. Okay. So I think all of you understand how we can use the property, and after that we can solve the equations related to the determinants. Here we use the property and after that we solve the determinants. Okay. I think all of you understand. So we are going for the next questions. The next questions are given. Here many questions are also given. So we are going for the question number 7. Here the question number 7 is also given. Here you also use the property and without expansion you solve the equations. So you see first. The question is that the question number 7. So first I read the questions. The question is that here question number 7. The question in the determinants minus a square AB and AC. Then the elements BA, and then this is the minus B square, and after that BC. Next CA and CB and minus C square. This is equal to 4A square, B square and C square. Here the question is given, without expansion you can prove that this is a 4A square, B square and C square. So first we take the LHS side. Here LHS side, the determinants is minus A square, AB and AC. Second row determinants are BA minus B square and BC. Third row elements are CA, CB and minus C square. So I take A common in the first row, B common in the second row and C common in the third row. So this is equal to ABC. Therefore this is a minus A, this is the B and this is the C. In the second row here is the B, I take the B is common, so A, here is a minus B and this is equal to C. Here I take the C is common, so A, B and minus C. After that, in the first column I take the A is common, in the second B is common and third column is C is common. So I take A, B, C is common. So this is equal to A square, B square and C square, because here is a ABC. In the first column I take the common A, second column I take the common B and third column I take the common C. So this is A into A square, B into B square and C into C square. So this is a minus 1, this is equal to 1, 1, this is a 1, minus 1, 1, this is the 1, 1 and minus 1. After that, here you see that we take sum of the R1 plus R2. Take the R1 plus R2. If you take the sum of R1 plus R2 and R2 plus R3, take the sum of the row. R1 plus R2, it means you take the sum first row to second row. Minus 1 plus 1, this is equal to 0. Then 1 minus 1, it is also equal to 0. Then 1 plus 1, this is equal to 2. And here is A square, B square and C square. Next, here 1 plus 1, it is also equal to 2. Then this is a minus 1 plus 1, it is equal to 0. And here 1 minus 1, it is also equal to 0. Then here is equal to 1, this is the 1 and this is equal to minus 1. After that, this is equal to, here in the first row I take 2 is a common, in the second row it is also the 2 is common. So this is equal to 2 into 2, this is equal to 4, A square, B square and C square, and elements are 0, 0, 1 and this is the 1, 0 and 0, this is the 1, this is equal to 1 and this is equal to minus 1. Here. After that the expansion, you can see here 4A square, B square and C square and bracket. The expansion of that row, this is equal to 0 because it is multiplied by 0, it is also equal to 0. So this is a 1 and bracket. 1 multiplied by 1, it is a 1, 1 multiplied 0, so it is a minus 0. Therefore this is equal to 4A square, B square and C square into 1. So this is equal to 4A square, B square and C square, and this is equal to RHS. So you can say that the determinants minus A square, AB, AC, then BA minus B square, BC, and then CA and CB and minus C square, this is equal to 4A square, B square and C square, and hence it is approved. So you can, using the property, easily so that this is equal to, this is according to the property of the determinants. Okay. Next we are going for the next questions. Here the some questions are given using the property and you can solve these questions. Here some questions are given. I take the question number 8 of first question. So the question is that the element in the column of the first column is 1 1 1, second column is a b c, and third column is a square b square and c square. So question number 8 of first, the elements of the first column is 1 1 1, a b c second column, and a square b square and c square in the third column. And you can prove this is equal to a minus b and b minus c and then c minus a. So according to the property of the determinants, you can add or subtract any row and column in another determinant. So first I take LHS side. Here LHS side, this is a 1a square, 1b and b square, 1c and c square. So you see, I take that r1 minus r2. It means first row minus second row and second row minus third row, r2 minus r3. Here you see, r1 minus r2, 1 minus 1, this is equal to 0, a minus b, this is the a minus b, then a square minus b square. In the second, 1 minus 1, it is also equal to 0. Here is a b minus c and this is a b square minus c square. And third row is same, 1c and c square. Here in first row you can see here is a minus b and there is a square minus b square. A square minus b square, it means one bracket a minus b, another bracket is a plus b. So you can take a minus b is a common, here remaining a plus b. Similarly in the second row it is also b square minus c square, then you take b minus c is a common. So here is also remaining b plus c. I take the common. So this is equal to a minus b and b minus c. After taking the common remaining elements, here is a 0, then a minus b, you take common, so it is a 1 and this is equal to a plus b. Next here 0, then b minus c is common, so it is a 1 and this is equal to b plus c. After that here 1, then c and then c square. Next you see that here you find that a minus b and b minus c. After that c minus a. Again we subtract second row from the first row. It means r1 minus r2. Then this is equal to a minus b and b minus c. It is equal to 0. 0 minus 0, this is equal to 0. 1 minus 1, it is equal to 0. This is the a plus b minus b and minus c. This is the 0, 1 and then b plus c. Next 1, c and c square. These are the elements. Here b is a cancel by b. This is the a minus c, but you have take the common c minus a. So if just wanted, I take the common c minus a. So a minus b, b minus c and then c minus a. So the remaining determinants value 0, 0. Here a minus c, but I take the common c minus a. So here is a minus 1. 0, 1, this is the b plus c and 1 c and c square. After that we take the expansion. So a minus b, b minus c and c minus a. Bracket. First element of the first row, it is a 0, so expansion is a 0. Second, it is also 0, so expansion 0. Third elements of the first row is minus 1, so minus 1. 0 multiplied by c, it is equal to 0. 1 multiplied by 1, it is a minus 1 because it is a multiplied with the negative sign. So this is equal to a minus b, b minus c and c minus a. and minus 1 multiplied by 1, this is equal to 1. So this is equal to a minus b, b minus c, and c minus a, and this is the value, it is equal to RHS. So you can say that this is equal to this is after the solution of the equations. So I think all of you understand. We are going for the next problem. Some problems are also given in that exercise. Next question, question number 9 of the given exercise. So first we read the questions and after that we solve that questions. Okay, first you listen the question. The question is that question number 9. The question is that the element of the first column, this is equal to x, y, z, another column x square, y square and z square, and next is a yz and zx and xy, and you can prove this is equal to x minus y, y minus z, and z minus x, and then xy plus yz and plus zx. Okay, all of you see the questions here, that the question is given that this is a determinants x, x square, yz, y square, zx, z square and xy. Then I take the LHS side. LHS side is equal to x, x square, yz. Then y square and zx. Then z square and xy. These are the elements. We take here first row, this is the first row, so r1 minus r2. First I take r1 minus r2 because x minus y, here is also the x minus y. Next, then take r2 minus r3 because y minus z. So you see here x minus y, x square minus y square, and this is the yz minus zx. Next, this is the y minus z, y square minus z square, and zx minus xy because it is a r2 minus r3, and third row is the same, this is a z square and xy. In the first row you see x minus y, x square minus y square, yz minus zx. Here is a x minus y. Here x square minus y square, it means one bracket is a x plus y, another bracket is a x plus y, x minus y and x plus y. Next, here you take the z is common, so this is a y minus x. So we take x minus y in the first row. In second row, y minus z is a common, so I take the common for the first row. First row x minus y is common, and the second row y minus z is common. Remaining element x minus y is common, so this is the 1. Here is a x square minus y square, it means x minus y, x plus y. I take x minus y is common, so this is the x plus y. Here is a y, z minus zx. I take z is common, so this is a y minus x, but I have x minus y, so I take the common minus z. So this is the minus z is common. Next, y minus z, so it is also the 1. This is the y square minus z square, it means y plus z. Then zx, and here you take the x is minus x is common, so minus x is common, so this is the x y minus z. Another element are same, z square and xy. Here is a x minus y and y minus z. Okay. Then another is a z minus x. Z minus x, how you can find that the z minus x. Okay. So here is the element 1 1, this is equal to elements. So here is a z is common, here is also the common, that x minus x. Okay, so you again take r1 minus r2, x minus y and y minus z. Again you take the r1 minus r2, I take again r1 minus r2. So 1 minus 1, this is equal to 0. Here x plus y minus z, this is the minus z, and minus minus plus, so plus x. This is the 1 y plus z, then minus x, after that z square and x y. So you see first row, here is a y is cancelled by y, here is a x minus z, but I have z minus x, so I take minus 1 is common. So therefore this is equal to x minus y and y minus z and z minus x. Then the element, here element is a 0, this is the x minus z, but I have z minus x, so it is a minus 1. Here x minus z, but I have z minus x, so here is also minus 1. After that 1, then this is a y plus z, and then minus x, then z square, and this is the x y. Next, here is a 0. Suppose that we take c1 c2 minus c3, so I take c1 minus c3, x minus y, y minus z, and z minus x. Here I take c2 minus c3, means third column is subtracted by second column is subtracted by third column, so it is a 0 1 and z, there is no any change. This is the minus 1, and minus 1 minus 1, it is equal to 0. Y plus z, so this is the y plus z, minus minus x, so plus x, and this is the, here z square, this is the z square and minus xy. Next it is the same, minus 1 minus x and xy. Next you do the expansion. After the expansion, this is equal to x minus y, y minus z, and z minus x. Here you see that the first element of the first row is 0, second element of the second row is 0, so expansion is also the 0. Here minus 1. Next, this is equal to 1 multiply this, so this is equal to z square minus xy, and then with negative sign minus zy, then minus z square, then minus zx. Z square is cancelled by z square because one is positive, another is a negative. Here is a minus. If the bracket is open, so all sign will be changed. So this is a negative, it convert positive. This is also positive and this is also positive. So this is equal to x minus y and y minus z and z minus x, another bracket xy plus yz and plus zx. And this is equal to your RHS side. So you can say this is equal to this. So here we applying the property and you can solve these equations. There are many problem also in this exercise, but you can do the help of these solution. You can solve any other questions. So I think all of you understand. Okay, goodbye.